welcome. My name is Roche. Welcome to Beauty Mix channel. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and like this video. And if you like, share this to your friends and family. And let's be friends. In today's video, what I'm going to review is this product right here from HBC. This is Crayons BB cream. Okay, and I got in the shade Natural Blend. The price is 89 pesos. I bought it in HBC nearby. You can easily find now compared to other beauty gurus who review this where they have the difficulty of finding this, but now you can grab this at HBC. Late on reviewing this product, but I just recently got it, so I am very interested to know if this 89 pesos can really work magic on my face. So this is my second day of using it. I went to SM yesterday. Here are my thoughts.
So far for my BB cream, guys, maganda siya. Maganda yung skin ko, yung effect niya. I pair it with a powder foundation from Ido. Maganda siya, guys. Pero nag-oil up talaga ako. Pero maganda naman yung pagka-oil niya. Hindi naman siya nga super na like para na akong mantika ng baboy. So, para lang siyang natural na nag-oil lang. Ganun. It's about 4 hours. And maganda naman yung hindi naman siya nag-break. Nag-oil up lang talaga siya. Parang normal.
As a consumer, how do I feel with the product? I do like it. It's a BB cream, but it feels like it's a foundation. Today's application, I make it like as a real full coverage foundation, and it did work, guys. Okay, underneath I have a serum, okay, and then I have a pore filler. I put a powder on it too because I have very large pores. I need to really make this makeup less, and it did. My pores is not so visible, but in yesterday's application, no primer, this is what the face looks like. Okay, and now today's face with a very like full coverage application with everything with a full base underneath. this BB cream can work, and it did last on me for 10 hours. Hi guys, it's the end of the night. It is 9:54 in the evening, and this is what my face looks like. I didn't retouch or anything, so from 12 noon until now it's almost 10 o'clock. I am oily, okay, right. I did not have any primer on. It's just I have a serum that I used daily and no moisturizer, just that serum that I use. And I put the BB cream and then the powder foundation from Ido. That's all I did, and not even no blush. Okay, so no blush on, just the foundation and some eyebrow and lipstick. I'm very oily in the middle here in my T-zone area. Okay, is it cracking? No, it's not. So it's just very oily, guys, considering it's about 10 hours on the face, right? So 10 hours with like this, would you go? I think so. You just have to probably dot or a blotting paper. This is the longest time I wear this, 10 hours, and there's no scent. Price is 89 pesos, which is good. Would I recommend it? Yes. For the price, yes. Only for the bottle, when I complain that it's less, yes. It's very airy here. Maybe the product is only at this portion right here. And in today's application, I did use a lot of it. I use a sponge, I use a brush, and then I use a hand. To make this work really well, use it by hand. Okay, don't use any tool, just your hands, it can work. Okay, yesterday I did use my hands and it did work, but with more full coverage, it's better with a brush first, then work with your hands. Just lightly tap on it and it can work. And also on top of this, it really make work is this product here in the Philippines. This is Ido. I have this this is a powder foundation in number 3. I hope they still have it, but I have this before. I like this Ido powder foundation. For me, is better than the Vice Cosmetics, and I think I only got it for $100 pesos. Okay, but I don't know now what's the current price for this, but I like this one. I use it every day. Okay, so this is the completed look. I do certainly like this BB cream. It's my first time actually to really use a BB cream. I'm very surprised. It's like a foundation, but very light to the skin. You don't feel heaviness on the skin. Though I've been using it not very like full coverage today, I don't feel like it. And blendability with the other products like my blush, contour, highlight, and everything like that, concealer, it worked well. So for me, this is a go. Go to your HBC now. I'm not sponsored. This is my recommendation to you guys. If you don't have money and you want medium full coverage BB cream, this is the one for you. Okay, so this is my thoughts. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please subscribe and let's be friends, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.